5 habits that will help you to become rich. If you want to get rich, here are 5 habits that help people to become rich. 1. Plan and set goals. Rich people are goal setters. They list what they want to achieve daily, weekly, and monthly. Rich people are goal setters, and they can tell you where they want to be in 20 years. Poor people just sort of wing it. 2. Don't overspend. The simplest and surest path to wealth is to save money and invest it. It's like planting an acorn and watching it sprout into a tree. 3. Create multiple streams of income. A 2019 US Census Bureau study found that poor people have one income stream. Only 8.8% of women and 8.0% of men have 2 or more jobs. Poor people have one income stream. 4. Read and educate yourself. Wealthy people not only work dual jobs, but they also make time to read. But they're not reading Stephen King or Danielle Steele. They read educational and self-improvement books. 5. Avoid toxic relationships. You are only going to succeed in life if you surround yourself with the right type of people. When you allow negativity to rule your thoughts, you are programming your brain for failure. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, share it with others and subscribe for more.